inheritance by using subtype polymorphism. We have developed a new refactoring that is the first important step for this kind of theme. It's called extract interface. It's an important refactoring. Fowler also discussed it in his refactoring book. So first we will have a look at how this works in Eclipse with Mockator. I switch to Eclipse now. I prepared a workspace with a couple of projects. Now we'll first discuss object themes. We have here our system under test. It's called game4wins. Has one member function called play, which calls role on its die dependency class, and if it's 4, it writes something on the stream, and if not, it writes something else on the stream. So maybe we'll have a look at this class die. It just has one member function called role. Yeah, let's have a look at its implementation. It uses C's pseudo random number generator rand to return a number between 1 and 6. We have here a unit test. We use Qt here as a testing framework. Create a string stream, inject this string stream into the play member function, and assert the result, the string written on this stream. So if we execute this unit test, we will get a failing test. This is because the pseudo randomness here with the given seed results in a number that is not equal to 4. So if we would like to have a green bar, and we somehow need to change this behavior to because we only want to test the functionality of game4wins, not the one of its dependencies. So we somehow have to inject the test double here. We do this with the first step by extracting an interface. So we call it the interface, say that the interface type should be used wherever possible. Just want to have the role member function in the interface. So yeah, finish here. The refactoring has created a new header file with the interface that has a virtual destructor implementation so that subclasses can properly be destructed, and one pure virtual member function called role. Here game4wins still uses the concrete type die. This is because it's not a pointer or reference yeah, and in that case it should not be replaced because subtype polymorphism only plays with pointer or reference types. So this stays as it is. So we somehow have to inject a test table now, and we do that in this example by injecting via its constructor. So we use the new interface. And change it here as well. Okay, so we have to pass it here. We call it fake, and we now see that Mockator creates a marker which says that of course there's no class called or object theme called fake, so we use its quick fix to create an object theme. Struct is fine with us, and the class name we leave. And you see it creates a local class that inherits from the newly created interface, creates an instance that we use here to inject it to the constructor of game4wins, And yeah, we have another marker. This marker says that necessary member functions are not existing in this class, so we use the quick fix to create the role member function. Now we have this role member function, and of course we do not need to return the default value here, but instead we need to return 4 to make the test green. And if we execute it now, we have our green bar. So that was object scene. Object scenes have a few disadvantages. That these are mainly based on the fact that we use inheritance, and in C++ the runtime overhead of calling virtual member functions is quite high. Its calls are resolved during runtime through the V table, and that needs time. Besides that, we have tight coupling. As you probably know, inheritance is the second tightest coupling in C++ after friendship, and of course we also have enhanced complexity and fragility by using